Welcome back to It's Charlie's Time. I am doing another video about rice water. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I store my rice water. I have several different ways and I'm going to give you those ways in just a second. Here is my rice water. If you have not seen this video, I'll link the link in the description box. You can click on that and go and see how I made this minty rice water for hair growth. But now I'm going to show you how I store my rice water. What we're going to do is pour it into this little cup. Okay guys, if I was going to use my rice water on Charlie's hair today, I would put some in this spray bottle. But since I'm not and I'm only doing this so I can store it and have it for later use, I am not going to put it in the spray bottle. I am going to put it in this ice tray. Okay? So I bought this ice tray. It's so nice. It's a large ice tray, guys, and I got this awesome ice tray for 99 cents from my local 99-cent store. Isn't that cute? What? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, guys, if this is an ice tray, you figured it out, I'm gonna freeze it. And we're gonna simply pour our rice water into the ice tray. As that. Okay. And then we're going to take this ice tray and we're going to put it in the freezer and we're going to let it freeze. Once it freezes, I'm going to show you the next step. Also, we have some left. And you know what? Let's put what we have left over into our spray bottle. Voila. Magic. We're going to seal it. Again, guys, if you have not watched my video on how to make rice water, the link will be in the description box below. It is easy, it's simple, and it's minty rice water. You're going to love the smell and you're going to love what it does for your hair. It's going to make your hair grow. I'm going to end this video for right now, but catch me when I put it in the fridge. 1, 2, 3, next.